Jordan brand continues to impress with its retro and performance offerings, and the upcoming Jordan Trunner Flow is a standout for 2026. Designed as a streamlined version of the Trunner OS, the Flow emphasizes simplicity, comfort, and style. The black and white colorway highlights a classic, versatile aesthetic, combining synthetic leather and breathable mesh across the upper. Thick embroidered ridges at the midfoot add subtle texture, while a futuristic Jordan nameplate on the heel nods to the brand's forward-thinking design language. The midsole features a clean, smooth mold that keeps the silhouette modern yet reminiscent of late 1990s Jordan footwear, tracing the roots of the Trunner line. Priced around $85, the Trunner Flow targets casual wearers seeking a sleek, lightweight, and accessible alternative to bulky retros and mid-top models. Its approachable design positions Jordan to compete with comfort-driven tech runners from other brands. The release is slated for late 2025 into early 2026, offering a fresh entry point for collectors and new fans alike.